This is our first look at the iQOO 12. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. Another day, another phone. In this video, we're gonna be unboxing this new flagship from iQOO. We're gonna check out what's up with this new device. We're gonna do a camera tour and even some sample shots. Without further ado, let's unbox. So here we have the phone. So that back is a nice matte back. iQOO etched on there, and you're not gonna have to worry about fingerprint smudges on here. That module is a big boy, but they did say that the shape of the module is inspired by exploration, like how windows look in ships and airplanes and spacecrafts. You also get a little bit of detail on the sides there. There's a little bit of texture, and it's not a very curvy phone, but there's a slight curve on the back here. It makes it like easier to hold because it is a big phone. This is a clean right side. Again, flat edges. At the bottom, you get your SIM tray, your USB-C port, speakers. On the other side, you get your volume rocker and your power button. Now, because it is a big phone, that's a nice big screen. And look at my cursor, there are hearts. That's so cute. I mean, you can turn that off, but I actually quite enjoy the hearts. Right, so what is the deal with this new phone? So first off, we saw in the box that BMW M Motorsport logo. This phone's whole design was inspired by that. So we have the black alpha version, and then there is a white version called the Legend Edition, and it even comes with a tricolor BMW stripes. Impressively, this thing is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. That's good. And it revs iQOO's very first supercomputing chip Q1, which just means better gaming resolution on this device. What excites me though is that this phone reps a triple cam setup on the back, two 50 megapixel shooters, and a 64 megapixel periscope camera. Pretty curious how these all perform, and especially because that main camera supposedly is an astrophotography camera. And on that note, let's take a quick camera tour and some sample shots. Right, time for that camera tour. So we have photos wide, 1x, 2x, 3x, up until, whoa, 100 times zoom on this. I can even read the text from behind the phone camera here. Wait, back to wide. And then here you have different filters. You have Google Lens, flash settings. What's this? That is your color style. So you have 3 different types: vivid, textured, or neutral. You also have your super macro mode on here, and even more settings up top. On video mode, you have wide, 1x, 2x, 3x, up until 10 times zoom. And you can shoot with a steady mode, so it's actually turned on right now. That's standard. You have ultra, horizontal, what does it say? Leveling. Okay, got you. And then you can shoot in 4K, 30 and 60 FPS, 8K, 30 FPS on the rear camera. Of course, you have your different settings, and then you have your different filters on the side. There's also beauty mode and your aperture settings. So there is portrait video on this phone. Under more, you have high resolution mode, pano mode, ultra HD, document, slow mo, mode, time-lapse, long exposure, even super moon, astro, pretty cool. And there's also a fisheye mode even. This is interesting. I want to try this. You also have a pro mode, and this is for video and photos. You can use the different lenses, so wide, standard, and of course your telephoto lens. On the right you have portrait, 1x, 2x, 3x. As you can see behind me, everything is blurred, and that's as much as you can zoom. You have your filters, beauty mode. Of course you can adjust the blur level as well. Up here you get a super night mode on portrait. Then you have your night mode that goes from wide up until, dude, that's still a 100 times zoom on there, even on night mode. And you have stuff like pano night mode, long exposure mode, interesting. And of course, you have your super moon and astrophotography settings up here. You also get snapshot mode. I'm not quite sure what this is actually. You do up until 3x. What is snapshot mode? Snapshot mode. What the heck? Why can't I say that? You have camera panning, different filters, live photo. Got it. And then you don't have selfie on here. No selfie on night mode as well. Of course, selfie on portrait mode. You have your filters, your beauty mode, and also your aperture settings on here. On photo mode, oh, you can zoom up until 2x. Can you do that on portrait? Yes, you can. Okay, we like that. And then you also have your different styles and different filters as well. On video selfie, you can do 1080p at 30 FPS. And then we're back to more. Now back to some sample shots. And that was our first look at the iQOO 12. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what other videos you'd want me to shoot with this phone. Of course, this is just our first look, so it's just a preview of the stuff that it can do. But if you want a camera vlog test or a social media test, comment down below. That's it for today. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's LAZADA_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time.